Guys, this is a Bristol Corsair deck I'm working on. Always fun climbing through here. Keep forgetting I have a suit. If you're watching this, go ahead and subscribe. Professional fiberglass repair. Appreciate it. 2 suits. So basically, if you haven't been following along, go ahead and do that and you'll get notifications for these and other jobs. What I've got going on here is a deck job. I left this here about 4 days ago. It was all wet. It's nice and dry now. That's what I want. Everything is pretty good. Actually, a little moist, but not. This thing is dripping wet. It's not bad. So, and clear it out nonetheless. So, what's got to happen next, basically, is all the underside's got to be ground down with some 36 grit, which I have here. So let's get to it. That's what I'm doing tonight. Man, this coverall really stinks. That's probably why I got a new one. It's okay, waste not, want not, right? A stack of these. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Appreciate it.